Welcome to inbox.jalpi.com. In this video, we'll show you how to generate a Microsoft Client ID and Client Secret for inbox.jalpi.com email integration. First, open inbox.jalpi.com and create your account by entering the required details. After registration, log in using your email and password. Once logged in, click on Add Account to begin setting up your email integration. A setup window will open where you can connect your account. Inbox.jalpi supports direct integration with Gmail, Microsoft, and Zoho accounts. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create one using the Microsoft Create Account option. Otherwise, enter your Microsoft email address and click Continue to sign in securely. Next, go to the Microsoft Auth tab to enable secure authentication. To complete the integration, you must generate a client ID and client secret from the Microsoft Azure portal. These credentials are required to securely connect your Microsoft account with Inbox.jalpi. This guide contains all the official steps required to generate your client ID and client secret from Microsoft Azure. Let's walk through this process step by step. The first instruction in the setup guide is: go to Azure Portal App Registrations. Click the Azure Portal link provided in the guide. This will open the Microsoft Azure portal in a new tab. Select the Microsoft account you want to use for the integration. Sign in using your Microsoft account credentials to proceed. After successful verification, you will be redirected to the Microsoft Azure portal. You are now on the app registrations page. To create a new application for Inbox integration, click on New Registration at the top menu bar. In the application name field, enter Inbox or your preferred application name. Under supported account types, select accounts in any organizational directory and personal Microsoft accounts. Next, configure the redirect URL. This is a critical step. Select platform, web. Then enter the redirect URL exactly as shown in the Inbox setup guide. Then click Register. After registration, you will land on the application overview page. Here you will see Application, Client, ID. Copy this Client ID. Return to the Inbox Microsoft Auth page and paste it into the Client ID field. Now go back to Azure and open API Permissions. Click Add Permission Microsoft Graph Delegated Permissions. Add the permissions listed in the Inbox setup guide. Offline_access. IMAP.access_as_user.all. SMTP.send. Mail.read. Mail.send. Then click Add Permissions. Next, open Certificates and Secrets. Click New Client Secret. Enter description, Inbox Secret. Choose the recommended expiry period. Click Add. Microsoft will generate a secret value. Important, copy the value immediately. It will only be shown once. Paste this value into the client secret field on the Inbox page. Do not copy the secret ID, only copy the value. Log in with your Microsoft admin account. From the left menu, go to Users Active Users. Now select the email account that you are configuring for Inbox integration. Open the Mail tab. Click on Manage Email Apps. Here, make sure that the following options are enabled: Authenticated SMTP and IMAP. Check both boxes if they are not already enabled. Then click Save Changes. This step helps prevent receiving or sending mail issues later. If you see a Need Admin Approval message during login, this setting must be enabled. Go to User Microsoft Entra ID, then open Enterprise Applications. Next, click on Consent and Permissions and open Admin Consent Settings. Here, enable the option Users can request admin consent to apps by setting it to Yes. This allows users to send an approval request during login if global admin consent has not already been granted. Save the changes once done. Once these all settings are enabled, your Microsoft environment is ready for Inbox OAuth integration. Now return to the Inbox Microsoft OAuth configuration page. Here you can see that the client ID and client secret value fields are already populated with the Azure credentials we created earlier. Scroll down to continue the setup. Next, create alias user account. If you want a separate login for this email inside Inbox, create an alias user account for this email. Now enter a username for the alias account. Then enter a secure password for this alias user login. This allows the alias user to log in separately and view only their assigned emails. After completing these details, click the Add Microsoft Account button. Once authorization is completed successfully, your Microsoft email account will be added to inbox.jalpi.com. You can now send and receive emails directly through the Inbox panel using Microsoft OAuth authentication. Your integration is now complete.